Think your kitchen's fully stocked? Think again. These insane Amazon kitchen gadgets do the unexpected, from next-level prep tools to genius space savers you didn't even know existed. Get ready for some serious "how did I live without this?" moments. All product links are in the description below. Cutting a watermelon shouldn't feel like a workout. This handheld slicer turns giant melons into 12 perfect wedges with just one push. The sharp stainless steel blades glide through in seconds. No slipping, no sawing, no mess. It's big, sturdy, and great for cantaloupes, honeydews, and even pineapples too. Whether you're prepping for a picnic or just a snack, this tool makes fruit cutting fast, safe, and actually fun. This kitchen sink isn't just smart, it's downright genius. With a waterfall faucet, built-in cup washer, and a sleek control panel that feels more like a piano than plumbing, it turns dish duty into something almost enjoyable. The stainless steel body resists scratches and smudges, while the temperature display keeps things safe and steady. No batteries required. Spices everywhere and still can't find the paprika? This rotating spice carousel holds 12 of your go-to seasonings in one sleek, space-saving spot. Just twist the dial, and it dispenses a perfect 1/4 of a teaspoon. No measuring spoon needed. It stacks, spins, and even comes with 55 spice labels to keep things neat. Durable plastic means it's built to last, and it fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops. Love dumplings but hate the hassle? This electric dumpling maker takes all the work out of wrapping. Just drop in the dough and filling, press a button, and it seals up perfect dumplings in seconds. No pinching, no mess. Choose between auto mode for hands-free wrapping or manual mode for more control. It comes with molds, cutters, brushes, and even a spoon. Rechargeable, fast, and fun. It's dumpling night, made easy. Chopping veggies doesn't have to take forever or leave you with uneven slices. This adjustable Mandoline Slicer handles it all in seconds, from paper-thin potato chips to chunky carrot sticks or perfect julienne cuts. Just twist the dial to switch modes. No blade swapping needed. It's made of durable stainless steel, easy to clean, and even comes with cut-resistant gloves for extra peace of mind. Fast, precise, and way safer than a knife. Dull knives slowing you down? This 4-in-1 sharpener brings them back to life in just a few swipes. With 4 slots tailored for everything from steel blades to scissors, you get a perfect edge every time. No guesswork, no hassle. The non-slip base keeps things steady, and it even comes with a cut-resistant glove for extra safety. Sleek, compact, and easy to use. Sharp tools. Sharper kitchen game. Strawberry prep just got way more fun and way less messy. This clever little tool removes stems with one quick press and twist, leaving the fruit perfectly intact. No knives, no wasted fruit, and no sore thumbs. It's safe enough for kids to use and works on other soft produce too, like tomatoes or mini peppers. Cute, compact, and dishwasher safe, it's a very good addition to your kitchen. Garlic lovers, rejoice! No more sticky fingers or stubborn cleanup. This clever garlic press doesn't just crush cloves with ease, it also wipes itself clean with a built-in trigger blade. One quick press, and your minced garlic is ready to go. No digging or scraping required. A hidden cleaning tool takes care of any trapped bits, and it tucks neatly into the handle when you're done. Quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Forget twisting, banging, and melting cubes just to get a few out. This smart ice tray lets you pop out ice with just one press, no spills, no hassle. The flexible silicone makes de-icing smooth and easy, even with one hand. It creates 6 chunky square cubes that chill your drink fast and look great in any glass. Slim enough for tight freezer spaces and super simple to clean. Snack bags always going stale? Not anymore. This mini bag sealer keeps your chips, cookies, and other treats fresh with just a quick slide. One end seals, the other cuts. No preheating, no fuss. It's small enough to fit in your hand, pocket, or even hang on the fridge thanks to the built-in magnet. Portable, powerful, and perfect for cutting down on food waste. Peeling fruits and veggies doesn't have to make a mess. This smart little peeler has a built-in container that catches all the scraps as you go. No more chasing peels across the counter. The stainless steel blade stays sharp and rust-free, slicing through carrots, apples, or potatoes with ease. It's BPA-free, easy to rinse, and comes in a set of 2. Handy, clean, and ready for daily use. Stirring the pot just got hands-free. This automatic pan stirrer takes over while you focus on everything else. Drop it into your soup, sauce, or gravy. Press a button, and it starts rotating on its own. No spoon required. With 3 speed settings and heat-safe nylon legs, it works in non-stick pans without scratching a thing. It's cordless, compact, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. Craving ice cream without the guilt? This frozen fruit soft serve maker turns bananas, berries, and more into creamy, dreamy desserts. No dairy, no added sugar, just pure fruit magic. Just feed in your frozen favorites and watch it swirl out a smooth, sorbet-like treat in minutes. It's quick to clean, easy to use, and perfect for anyone going vegan, keto, or just cutting back. Dessert just got a healthy makeover. Why juggle 3 appliances when one can do it all? This retro-style breakfast station combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and non-stick griddle into a single, space-saving setup. Brew 6 cups of coffee, toast 4 slices, and fry up eggs and bacon, all at the same time. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. With easy controls and classic charm, breakfast just got way more fun and way less chaotic. Fresh juice. Wherever you are, no cord, no noise, no hassle. This portable electric juicer squeezes citrus and other fruits with one quiet press, separating pulp from juice in seconds. It charges via USB-C and fits easily into your bag, so you can juice on the go from road trips to work desks. Cleanup's easy with detachable parts and a handy brush. It's a tiny powerhouse for your daily dose of freshness. If you've ever wanted to make your own fresh peanut butter at home, now you can. This electric nut grinder turns peanuts, sesame, or almonds into smooth, creamy spreads in minutes. Just pour in your nuts, press the button, and let it grind to perfection with 0 elbow grease. The parts are easy to clean and even easier to assemble. Homemade nut butter, just 1 press away. Say goodbye to wilted veggies and stale snacks. This vacuum-sealed food storage set keeps your meals fresh up to 5 times longer than regular containers. Just press the button and the air is out. No hinges, no leaks, no mess. The vacuum sealer knows when to stop, locking in freshness automatically. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. These containers are built to handle your week's worth of prep like a pro. Short on counter space, but still need somewhere for those clean dishes to land? This pull-out plate and bowl holder tucks neatly inside a cabinet or drawer and keeps everything organized and drip-free. It has 10 sturdy slots and a slide-out tray underneath that catches excess water. No mess, no fuss. Installation is tool-free thanks to adhesive nanofilm. A space-saving win for small kitchens and tidy minds. Your lunch just leveled up. This smart electric lunchbox doesn't just heat, it steams your meal to perfection while locking in freshness. With easy touch controls and a 9.5-hour timer, it's perfect for busy days. The stainless steel liner keeps things clean and durable, and the water heating method ensures even warmth every time. Bonus, there's a hidden spot inside to store your fork and spoon. Your egg salad just got a serious glow up. This all-in-one slicer gives you 3 different ways to cut hard-boiled eggs, thin slices, wedges, or diced cubes with one simple press. The stainless steel blades are sharp, the cuts are clean, and everything lands neatly in the built-in tray. It's not just for eggs either. Think strawberries, mushrooms, or even cherry tomatoes. Quick to use, easy to clean, and oddly fun to press. Scrubbing dishes just got a serious upgrade. This soap dispensing palm brush puts cleaning power right in the palm of your hand, literally. With a quick press, it releases just the right amount of soap, while the tough bristles tackle grime, grease, and baked-on mess. The grip feels natural and comfy, even during long washing sessions. And when it's time to refill, just twist and go. Meet the air fryer that thinks outside the basket. This 4-in-1 glass cooking system air fries, bakes, crisps, and reheats, all in sleek, non-toxic glass containers. Whether it's a solo lunch or a whole chicken dinner, it's ready in minutes with zero guesswork. The PowerPod delivers full-sized power, yet it's compact enough for any countertop. Bonus, the storage lids snap tight, so leftovers go straight from oven to fridge. No extra dishes needed. Fresh corn tastes amazing, but getting it off the cob, not so fun. This clever little gadget makes the job easy, fast, and oddly satisfying. Just twist and push, and it collects all the kernels without the mess. The blades stay hidden inside, so even kids can help out safely. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes fresh corn an everyday option.